Hi everyone. In this FAQ, we're going to look at the 3D extrusion tool and where to find it and what that even means. So, you might have seen in our tilt video this 3D Helsinki buildings layer. It's a three-dimensional layer and it's purple right now, but we're going to go ahead and change the color. And if you go to the tilt video, you'll see how to actually look at this from more of an angle. But right now we're just in the layer editor panel, and you've probably been doing most of your work here in the general layer configuration tab. For this, we're going to want to click the data visualization tab. So you'll see right here 3D fill extrusions, and this is where you can start making changes to these three-dimensional layers. You can choose which attribute you're going to color. On this one, we have the Z dimension. This will be different from dataset to dataset. And boom. Now the buildings are green. Pretty straightforward. Obviously, it can get more complicated as you bring in more attributes and what have you, as well as more than one layer of three-dimensional data. But for this, I just wanted to really show you how to get to it. You can change the opacity as well, height, and so forth. So there you go.